Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon truck. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my video series on drawing cartoons. Today's episode is on a cartoon truck. This truck is a special one to me due to I created a logo for my friend Dave Parker at ER Services. And so the first thing I did right now was the action line. And this action line helps me develop the pose and the attitude in which he is actually like dancing in. So right now I'm working on the cab of the truck. That's the hood, and I'm going to be working on the back side, the box trailer part of the truck. All right, and so as you see here, I'm going to be working over some lines at times, and there we go. I get the belly of the truck in there. There we go. All right. This is more of a fun character. This makes it come to life. If you ever seen some of the Disney classic Cars videos, that's very similar that I was playing off of. But in this case, when I created this, I made a model sheet, and I could work off of him and knowing his whole front, side, and 3/4. A lot of times after you create a character, it's a good thing to create a model sheet. So not only you, but others can follow the right steps. And as you notice there, the wheel and the back of the truck there, I didn't erase those lines. I'm not worried about that. Finishing the tire up here right now. Because after I've complete this illustration, I'll take it into Illustrator and ink it in, and Photoshop to airbrush it in. All right, let's work on the last tire now. Let's get that angle. There we go. All right, good. All right, get the inner wheel. There we go. He's looking good. I'm liking it. Yeah, it was a fun character to do. Again, this was for ER Services. If you're looking for plumbing and restoration, that's the company to give them a call. Locally in North and South Carolina by Charlotte. All right. Now let's work on his face now. There we go. And the square area where I'm going to get his eyeballs. I'm going to give him some attitude with the eyelids too. There we go. And let's shade it in there. All right, let's get the other one. There we go. All right. Just about done with this one. There we go. Okay. Let's get the eyebrows in there. That's kind of like the shade of the vehicle. Okay. Here we go. Get the other side. All right. And when I color it in, you'll see the distinction from the area where the white of the eyes are into the top of the brow. And those are the side mirrors that I just worked on right now. I'm just shading that one in. Let's create the window for the side of the truck that I can create right where the side view mirror on this one. Okay, let's get that where it holds it up. There we go. Angle it up. Kind of gives him like his own ears when you have that. And I'm just going to shade it in to give a little definition so you can separate where the mirror is as well as the windshield there. Okay, let's give him a big smile. And give him some teeth. There we go. A little lip. And this little character I made him animate for several little videos that were aired on TV as well as on YouTube. So if you check out ER Services website, you might even get the chance to see more of what I have created here. And this was a fun one. Okay, a little darker. There we go. Let's get the top of the light, the flashing light on top there. Okay, it's a little darker here. And there we go. All right. So completed another video, and thank you for watching. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.